Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to use your MacBook to film your screen and yourself at the same time. I show you how I did this setup and it's all for free. So here you have the side where you want to click on something and show what you did. Here you have your movie recording while you are screen recording. Finally, I will show you the arrow, how to make it larger, and the green cursor that will guide you to the screen recording. First, I click on QuickTime Player and then I can choose a file. As example, new recording, audio, or screen recording. You can have the option of select a portion or you can have the entire screen. So I click on it and start to record. Here is the button to end the recording. As we are recording right now, I want to show you how to bring in the video of yourself. So I click again on File and New Movie Recording and it should start plopping up. And there it is. I make it a little bit smaller. And here you see there is the window. You can record yourself too, but I don't click on it because it's already recording the whole side. If I want to show you something, I, as example, could type it in. Here's my website that I made with WordPress. I could just make this site a little bit smaller that it fits in exactly. I can now click on something special or show you what I did. Right now I'm going to show you the green cursor, which is free and helps you a lot. It's an app and it's called Screen Cursor. So if you want this, just go on your app store, type in cursor, and there are a few cursors that cost you some money, but when you're scrolling down, you will find the one that I choose and recommend as it's free and it does its job. It's this here. When you have your cursor, you can change the color, but then again, you have to upgrade and this costs, and therefore I just use the green color. You can also choose the color for the right click, but you have to upgrade it too. So the next feature I want to show you is this arrow that I use, and it's pretty easy. It's already inside of your MacBook. You can click on the system preferences, and if you don't find it, you can go to system preferences and there they will plop up too, or just here inside of your launchpad. Now you should click on accessibility and display. There you go to the cursor, and as you see, I can change my cursor from normal or small to large. And if I want to show you something important on my screen, I choose the large one. So that's how I screen record and film myself at the same time. As you can see, there is a difference between this camera that I use, my iPhone, and the camera inside of my MacBook Pro. It's a little bit noisy in the background, maybe because of the light that comes in from the sun. And the last thing that I want to show you is why I came up with this background that fits inside of the video recording that I put here, because I found out if you have here a special website or something that you want to show, and if the site is a little bit longer, then it covers your movie recording. And this can't work when you want the movie recording in the front of everything, and in the background you have to click on the special things that you want to show. So that's why I choose this background to split the side and bring in the movie recording. I had this free space which I filled in, and I will show you how I did it in the next video. But in the end, I am quite happy with this tool as it's free already inside of my MacBook and I don't have to pay for anything at all. Alright, we are at the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed all these tips and tricks how to film and screen record at the same time for free. Maybe you can use these tricks for your future videos. Leave a like or a comment if you are interested in something special. We'll see us the next time.